Welcome back to Turbo Rider. Let's talk about one of the most exciting motorcycles from Royal Enfield, the 2025 Shotgun 650. Built on the company's legendary 650 cubic centimeters parallel twin platform, this bike combines power, style, and modern technology with a timeless design, engine, and performance. Under the tank, the Shotgun 650 packs a 648 cubic centimeters air and oil-cooled twin-cylinder engine. It delivers around 47 horsepower and 52 newton-meters of torque, paired with a 6-speed gearbox. This setup gives you smooth, strong acceleration and effortless cruising on highways. Design and comfort. The design is a perfect mix of retro charm and modern aggression. It has a scrambler-inspired look with a muscular stance, short tail, and upright seating position for comfort and control. The tubular steel frame, telescopic front forks, and twin rear shocks offer excellent stability and balance. Brakes and safety. The Shotgun 650 comes with disc brakes at both ends and dual-channel ABS for superior stopping power. Depending on the variant, you'll get spoked or alloy wheels, adding to its rugged and stylish appeal. Features and feel. It includes a semi-digital instrument cluster, 13-liter fuel tank, and a solid build weighing around 200 kilograms. The bike feels planted on the road and perfect for both urban rides and weekend adventures. Conclusion. In short, the 2025 Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 is powerful, stylish, and versatile, a modern classic for riders who value freedom, craftsmanship, and performance. If you want a bike that stands out with attitude and presence, the Shotgun 650 is truly worth a ride. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.